If you are looking for a simple part numbering scheme, a static subset would work well. Enter a name and value. This value will be the same each time a part number is generated. The counter is the unique identifier that gets assigned. Specify the number of digits you would like the counter to be. If you want the numbers leading up to the rightmost digit to be something else besides 0, enter that value here. The current counter field will begin at 0 and will keep track of how many times the counter has been incremented. Finally, define any values you want the counter to skip. The Part Number tab is used to define the structure. Use curly brackets for the substack and counter, as well as any other characters you want to incorporate in the format. The playground is a test environment where you can observe how the part number would be generated. You can manually increase the current counter to simulate how it changes with each assignment.